the Sketchbox for August. It's still July, which I love Sketchbox because they always come early. Oh, I can just peel that off maybe. Oh, yeah, it feels pretty light, so I'm a little nervous. It's been a while since I had like pastels and charcoal, so. Oh, paint markers. Okay, good. Phew. Is Murphy's favorite thing. Oh, more Sketchbox stuff. Yay, it's a good one. Okay, whoops. Little tiny sticker. I love these. And they come in a nice little box. I don't know, Sketchbox is getting too much into making their own thing. I'm scared they're gonna stop doing the boxes. Don't stop doing them. So these are acrylic and they have those nice brush tips. You know me and acrylic markers, and they give you a nice orange. Yay! No blue. That's kind of, oh, the light blue, I guess. All right, we'll do a little swatch of those. Signature. Interesting. Okay, and a little Bristol pad. Does it feel? Well, I guess it's Bristol. It feels a little bit thin. It's very smooth. Yay! Real brush. I love these. You know, I love these. Those have the nice brush tips. Perfect. Poscas. I love Poscas. Oh, this isn't. These brush pens, I know they have the new ones. These are the old ones, but I love them because they have those nylon bristles. They just seem to, I don't know. They feel more like painting, I guess. Oh, I had another one. Woo! What color is this? This one is, oh, it says on the thing, ochre. This one is lilac. This is gold. And we got a pencil? Prismacolor color erase. Oh, okay. They're colored pencils that you can erase, which has an eraser. And that's it. Okay. So let's get some paper. Well, there's paper right here. Let's use this. I have to sharpen this. I don't think they have a lot of colors for some reason. I think they probably only got like maybe 10 or 12. Although this color seems a bit, it's pink. Okay. I think I've tried them in the past and I just haven't, I don't know, had that much interest in them for some reason. I'm more interested in water solubility than erasing, I guess. Well, let's see. Because it's, maybe, it might be because the paper is really smooth. Let me get something else. This is copy paper. Works a little better. It's not very pigmented, but it does erase. But on this stuff, it doesn't erase all the way. You can still see it, so. I suppose it could be used for something, but all right, this is the ochre. I love these. These are the best things ever invented. And I found, I was doing something with them the other day, that sometimes the tips will they'll harden up. All you have to do is dip them in a little bit of water and they soften right up, and they don't clog or anything. They clog because they're dry, so you just dip them in water and they come right back, so. This is the lilac. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. The gold, I probably have a gold around here somewhere. Yes. Oh, that's so pretty. It's very, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very sparkly. And then we'll swatch these. God, now I want to go on their site and see what else they have. This is a curated set. I wonder if they have more colors. Because, you know, I need more acrylic markers. Orange. Do they snap? Seems like the cover doesn't stay on that well. It's a very light like this snaps. And this one is like, okay, pull it up and put it, click. Nice colors though. I gotta find something to draw. Put the blue over there. Oh, well, I guess I'll color the pink in again because that is something I can use. Maybe I'll draw with this and then I'll do the rest. I'll paint the rest. All right, so those are the colors. I have no idea what I'm going to draw. I'll come up with something. And then maybe that's what they did too in their little instruction book. It looks like they drew it out in like the pencil and then, oh, that's kind of neat. Do these have colors written on them? These don't have the colors written on them, which is kind of odd. But the colors are here. Marigold, that must be this one. French Rose, Sky Blue, Grape, Kelly, Coffee. $23.94 for the set of 6. So, all right. So I will do like a speed draw, and I'll come back at the end. All right, I know this isn't the greatest, but I actually did a couple other ones. I did this one last night when I was just sitting there, because it's hard to do this with a limited palette because you can't do shades. You know what I mean? It's not like I can go lighter on the pressure of a acrylic marker and it'll be a lighter shade. So I did this one, I did them without skin colors because I really don't have a skin color. The closest is the orange, but the orange is very orange. So I've got a brown. I could have done that, but it's super dark. So then I feel like I couldn't do, there's, I mean, maybe I could have done that with like a face like this shade. But I'm thinking like for like highlights and stuff. Maybe. I don't know. It just looks kind of strange. For brown. Although, maybe. It looks weird. It looks like a little gremlin. Anyway, so I did it without a skin color background. I did a donut because I was trying to think of something that I could use these bright colors on and I wouldn't need a lot of contrast. Because I did have a light and a dark purple, so I was able to do that. But really, these aren't close enough to do a light and a dark. I don't know. Because it's very yellowy orange and it's very dark brown. So anyway, so that was the first one I did. I tried to put this for cheek color, but it's so vibrant that you can't really do it. And the pencil, because it's pink, is so light in comparison. I wish this was a little bit darker and I really do like sketching with it because you can erase, which is nice. But it's so light, I can't really show like shadow. I was trying to do that, but it's so pale in comparison to the markers. So, but anyway, I do like. Actually, the paper's not bad. It's so small. I don't like drawing. I was gonna draw on something bigger, but I figured I would use what's in the box. So the paper's nice to draw on. It's just Bristol. God, she looks psychotic. I love the markers, you know, and I do like this, but I would want a different color. I might look into these because these are kind of nice to sketch with. Because I don't usually erase a lot when I'm sketching, so that's kind of probably why I stayed away from them. But it is kind of a nice option, you know. But yeah, I wouldn't get the pink. Maybe get like a a brown or something to do sketching, or gray. So yeah, I think that was it. Of course, did I use it? I used this somewhere. I used it on the donut somewhere. I used it on her face a little, I think. I know, in the hair. Here, let's give this little guy a face. There you go. It's really pretty. I love the Posca gold. I love these. Of course, the real brushes. I love these. And these are nice. I did go on the site and I saw that these are the only ones they have available. So that's a good thing for me. But it might be something they're looking into. I really like them. So that is it. Murphy's here. I think he wants a little snack or something. Is that right? So I guess that's that for this week. The Paletteable packs, I'd like to do it for next week. It's been shipped, supposedly, but that just means they made a label for it, so I'm not even sure if it really shipped. Hopefully I'll be getting that and I'll be able to do it for next week's video. So for now, I'll say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.